Hello everybody, it's Barry. You know what time it is, don't you? That's right, it's bite-sized tutorial time! And today, we're looking at making a double helix. We're going to start by placing 4 foundations on top of each other, and we're going to use this a little bit like a pedestal. So on top of the pedestal, create a circle. In the example here, we're using a 9 diameter. And now we create a 10 high wall all the way around our circle. And this is going to be the framework that we're going to use to make the helix. Let's make life a little bit easier for ourselves as well. So we're going to take out one of the columns of wall, replace them with the silver wall. And then on the opposite side of the circle, we'll do the same thing. And now we've got a good indicator for where we're going to start and finish our helix. So what's going to happen next is we're going to use the ramps on the inside of our framework here and start building our helix. Now it's going to be really hard to show you with a closed circle that you see now. So I've prepared this wall. Ooh. And on this wall, I'll show you what we would normally do on the inside of the circle. So as you can see, team, it's pretty straightforward. We're just building a ramp up a wall. With that said, let's go back and build a ramp up the inside of the circle. And for convenience, I've colored some of the foundations, and we're starting here on the blue. Just keep building your ramp all the way around, and when you get to the other side, just stop one wall from the end, and this will prevent any overlap when we do the copy paste later on. So with that done, let's go to the yellow side and repeat the process. Here we are at the top. And now we're going to get rid of the walls using the place and remove corners option. Using this picture, I'll quickly show you how we do it. So we start at point A, we go around the outside to B, down into C, all the way back around the inside to D and up to A. Now, using mass dismantle, we'll get rid of those walls. Now, using a combination of the place remove corners, the set clear top and bottom options, we're just going to select our ramps. Now with all of those selected, let's go into the fill settings. In the Z field, enter a number. I've used 5 here, for example. And in the Z field under border, we're also going to enter a -2. And this is just going to contract everything by 2 meters, making everything line up nice and smooth. Once you've done that, hit OK, hit clear, and behold, your double helix. And that's it for another bite-sized tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to share your creations with me. Hit me up on Twitter. Dump something in Discord. I'd love to see what you're building with your helix. See you later.